Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data for one more learning video tutorial on installation of Pandas TA, and we will check its workaround. Okay, so you heard it right, Pandas TA. So TA, I hope you remember the TA. So where you heard the TA? Yes, you are right. It's in Technical Analysis Library. Okay, so the part which I'm talking about is ATR. Okay, now for ATR purpose, I've already done two videos in which at first I've been done the import by utilizing this talib, which is Technical Analysis Library, and I've been already converted the ATR from formula. Okay, so there I've been utilized the moving average. Same you can do it with the EMA. Now this Pandas TA as well as talib utilize default exponential moving average, that is RMA. Okay, so now you can do it for this this as well for Pandas TA. Okay, so if you want to proceed with these things, you require installation. Okay, which is simple, which you need to say just pip install pandas_ta. Okay, so you will get the installation of each and everything. Okay, some of the requirements I think I already satisfied, and some of which is left out will be get installed. Okay, so the first thing I must say that you should ready with the access token that I'm going to talk about, but first we will check the which we have importing the pandas ta is good or not. Okay, so we say import pandas_ta. Okay, and all I have to say control B. So what happens if it is not giving error, then we perfectly installed. Okay, and all we have to say is a ta. So we are telling this stuff in talib as well as ta. So this you can utilize in the Pandas TA as well. Okay, now the best part I like about the Pandas TA is the help module. Okay, especially like if we ask for help and say like give it any kind of a the module, the indicator as an ATR or a simple moving average or Bollinger Bands. Okay, it will like give the definition, give the link, give each and everything whatever I have. Okay, so especially this technical analysis library and this Pandas TA, I'm going to utilize just to check the benchmark. Okay, so especially if I got any formula and if I'm converting them, some benchmark should be there so I can check, and if it is required I can correct them, and I can process them as much as possible related to this library. Okay, which is Python wrapper I believe. Okay, so this needs to be done. Okay, so if I click on this one, this help ta.atr, it gives me the a number of details. Okay, especially like it gives like where you can check the the post where it is talking about the average to range. Okay, and the special thing is all about like what are the formulas it is utilizing, as in this to range, what are you giving. Okay, so this is the best, so you can go for this stuff. And same wise like if you are utilizing, so a number of details will be there. So suppose if you go with the talib while importing, okay, whatever you get the details, you need to visit the module and you can check around. Okay, same as with this. Okay, it is explained in detail. Okay, so we just given each and everything which you can check, like what we are utilizing as high, low, close, and what is length and what is MA mode. So all of the things is given in a detail. So before proceeding to this CTR, just check what type of like indicators you are utilizing. And as comparison wise, if you while installation, I think one more Pandas TA is there, okay, which I didn't talk about, but here which I am doing as of right now. So you don't require the technical analysis library or ATR, but for the benchmark purpose, yes, you require. And I must say that from formula to code is definitely a best deal. Okay, so you can check the video as well for that reason also. So how you can convert the formula to code. Okay, so do check. Now what happens, I will make it very much simple, a simple guide to you. Okay, all you have to do is visit my website and just say fire CPI. Okay, so I have already done this volatility indicator. Okay, especially this stuff. Okay, so you have to do nothing, just have to copy each and everything same as it is. Okay, and just paste it. Now I'm ready with my access token. Okay, so you have to tell where exactly your app ID and access token is there. So just give it. Okay, now I have to say Fires version 3. So here my app ID and access token is there, so I just give it to you. Okay, and now I will give it in access token. So same folder I can utilize. Okay, otherwise the folder which I'm as of right now can give it. Okay, so I think here it is done. And same thing you have to do. Say you called as an talib. Okay, just say TA. Okay, and instead of capital, just give it in a small. Okay, that's it, done. And just say Control B. Now what happens? I'm utilizing the data and giving in my Pandas TA. Okay, so as you see the values, okay, the ATR values, okay, over the period of time, how much the values we are getting. Okay, so this is by the end of the value which you can check. Okay, so it's around 9.67 and 10. Okay, so that is, you can check from the results. Okay, so that's it. It is as simple as that. Okay, for this reason you can check 2 videos, and from this you can copy and paste. Okay, the code you can utilize. Just you need to understand from at the beginning, and for that post is already available. Just go through the video and the code and it will be helpful. Okay, and if you want to check more with the Pandas TA, just go through it. Especially I believe what are the technical indicators, other stuff for knowledge purpose, you can check it out. So if you ask, this is especially volatility indicator. So if you go over there, a number of volatility indicators are there. Okay, which is an average to range. So a number of things are there which you can utilize. So just check the GitHub page for it. Okay, and especially I must say that it will be kind of considered as benchmark. So I must say that do try. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.